So I've been posting videos to YouTube for almost 7 months now. Wow, that's almost a full-term pregnancy. Anyways, and I've had videos monetized for about 2 months now. And I just wanted to talk about the videos that I have monetized and a video that I have that's a #1 ranked search result video and how much that actually earns, because I feel like there's a lot of confusion on how much money is made on YouTube or potentially made. I know there's a lot of variables like what the search term is, what the type of video is, but I just wanted to share my specific experience so you guys can see and know what to expect. You know, there's a lot of people who want to make money on YouTube, so it's nice to see some real data and just know what you're getting yourself into and know the long road that you have to take, because like I said, I've been posting for 7 months and it's been long and tedious. It took almost 500 hours just to get my first 1,000 subscribers. And since then, several hundred more hours just to get the next like 400 or so. So it's been really slow for me. Obviously, that's not the case for everyone. Some people will be much faster, some people will be much slower. I got into making videos because I thought it'd be a fun thing to do. I liked the content that I was making, and I didn't go into it to try and make really any money. I didn't have any expectations there. So, what you make from ads is kind of laughable at first, I'm not gonna lie, because it's such a small amount of money, it's not really a driver, but at the same time it still is exciting because you see that you're earning something. It's better than nothing. I do wish there was a lower barrier to entry in order to start making money on YouTube, because the qualifications are so high. I mean, I understand why they're doing it, but there would be, even if people were able to earn $1 a month, there'd be more incentive for really small creators to just start and get going and then slowly build it up, instead of having to spend several months building up a following before they ever earn a single cent. Because these videos take a lot of time and in some instances a lot of money to produce and be creative and just go through the whole process of what it takes to make a quality video. And how much you earn on a video seems to be really dependent on the category of the video. So as you know, in my channel, I make 2 different kinds of categories, and I'm gonna break down. First, I'm gonna show what my #1 ranked video makes, and then a lesser ranked video, and then I'm gonna show what a different category of video of mine makes. So you can compare all 3 and see the pros and cons of each, because I think there are certain pros and cons of each, even though a certain type makes a lot more money than the other types, as you'll see very soon. So let's get right into it. Here's the first video I'm going to show. It's the video of mine that's ranked #1 on several search terms. So let's dive in. All right, and here is the video that's ranked #1 on several different searches. It is the video that I build a card house. I learned how to build a card house with an entire deck of cards. It took 4 hours and 19 minutes. It's actually kind of cool because this was the 3rd video I ever made. Oh, you definitely got to like your own videos. Don't know how I missed that. But yeah, so it was the 3rd video I ever made, so it's kind of cool that this one ranks so high. And just to prove that it is ranked #1, let's open an incognito tab. Go to YouTube. And there I am. And as you can see, it does stand out quite a bit, I think, compared to the other videos that are ranked here. But all the other videos are really old, 8 years, 5 years, 7 years, and have way more views. 2 million, over 100,000, 400 and some thousand. So I'm not sure if that has something to do with it being a newer video, that it's ranked so high, but it has been ranked for about 5 months now, and in several searches. So here, let's try another one. I build a card stack, same thing, #1, and here, let's just go card stack. And to the analytics, drum roll please, $10.18 in the last month, which comes out to about 34 cents per day that I'm making on this video to be a #1 ranked search result in like 10 different searches. So it's a bit lower than what I would expect to be a #1 search result. Although, you know, this will vary wildly depending on what the category is, because I think these searches are probably only getting 1,000 or a few thousand various searches per term, per month. So I'm picking up a decent amount of those. The CPM is $3.42, which is quite low as well, lower than a lot of my videos. I'm not sure how exactly, you know, that formula works, but my skill learning videos are definitely much lower than my business videos. Let's go to the overview so you can see the views. Just under 6,000 views in the last month, and in the last several months, it's averaged about 200 views a day, which is kind of cool just to get that reoccurring viewing every single day to have a little bit of built-in consistency. But as you can see here, since uploaded, it's basically been fairly consistent the whole time. And for comparison's sake, here's another video that I rank on, but not first. It's my how to throw a card boomerang video. So I'm ranked 4th on this one, on this search, and I'm ranked on a few various searches. It's just a video that I learned how to flick a card boomerang. It's just a little trick, took just over an hour to learn. Let's go to the analytics here. So this video in the last 28 days did 1.4 thousand views, which comes out to between like 40 and 50 views a day, all mostly from the search results. See, 90% from YouTube search. And then go to revenue, and we make $1.37 a month, which comes out to about between 4 and 5 cents a day from this video. But you know, it's cool, it's making anything, but this isn't going to be anyone's job anytime soon, flicking boomerangs for money. So similar CPM on this video as well. All my top ranked videos actually have lower CPMs, anything that's in the search results, which I find interesting, but it's probably just has to do with the category and who could sell ads to what videos. And if you're like me, you're probably shocked, appalled, ready to riot at how low these numbers are. No, I'm just kidding. You know, it's not really a big deal. That's like a rich kid complaining about getting an Audi for Christmas instead of a Mercedes. You know, I'm fortunate enough to be able to make this stuff in the first place. I think it's really fun. It's exciting to do. I like the challenge. You know, some of these videos take between like 15 and 200 hours for me to make. So if I didn't enjoy doing it, if I was doing it for the money, I wouldn't be here in the first place. You know, some of them cost between $100 and $1,000 to create. Like my ultra marathon video, for instance, literally cost me more than $1,000 to make, and it generates like $2 a month. So, you know, I'm not after the money in this sense. You know, I mostly, like I said, like the challenge, and I really like how with YouTube, it shows you your exact analytics. That way you can see how you're progressing. You know, I made 50 cents this week. How can I make $1 next week? $2 the week after that, you know, and so on. That way you learn how to make better content. You're constantly challenging yourself, increasing watch time, increasing views. You know, it's just really exciting. And then the money part is just kind of a benchmark. You get to see how much value the world is putting on your videos, the YouTube community is putting on your videos, and it's just all over exciting to do and to create that kind of stuff. And as I promised, I'm going to show you the analytics for my business videos, which is a much different case. As you'll see, these videos earn much more per view, but in my experience, I get much fewer views with this content, so it's kind of a trade-off. With my skill learning videos, I get a lot more views, less earnings per view, less impact it seems. With the business videos, it seems like I get more impact, I get more emails, more thoughtful comments, that kind of stuff. So here we go. And in the past on my channel, I've posted 2 different kinds of videos, skill learning content and then business related videos. And here's something you might find interesting about the business related videos. This is one that I posted less than a month ago, and this video I recorded just on my cell phone, took less than 2 hours to produce, super easy, you know, low production quality. And let's go to the analytics. As you can see, in the last month, less than a month, it's done about 2.1 thousand views and has earned almost $20. So more than the other videos combined with less views. And if we go to the revenue, the CPM is just so much higher than those other videos at $26 for the playback based. So in less than a month, almost $20 in earnings and much fewer views. So with the business content, I'm guessing this is just something that advertisers have a much easier time selling to than the skill-based videos, which is somewhat unfortunate, but also kind of nice because these videos are much easier to produce because business is basically my life and it's easy for me to talk about it and give advice and run experiments and stuff like that. So it's super fun for me to, do that kind of stuff as well. So that's it, that's the analytics. If any of you watching are creators, I'd love to hear your experiences below, or if you have any thoughts or comments or anything like that. Also, if you guys like this video, please leave it a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm out so much, and I would appreciate it so much. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day.